Hello guys and welcome back to
Message
more
from Dr. Wu.
Jurassic Park Operation Genesis. And as you can see, things have changed. I now have 2 stars because I kinda let the game continue without you guys. I'm so sorry. But you know,
I thought you might like some input here.
34% Spinosaurus. Good. Kinda did some things without you. It's probably mean of me. But how old are these? 6 months and they die in 8 months. Oh Jesus, that's not good. I should put some replacements in here. That's not a good thing to say. They're living creatures. They're living beings. I gotta eat.
Right.
I gotta hunt. I gotta
Message from
Jurassic World
Dr.
reference.
Grant.
Fuck it. Okay. See how they last for a year, so they're fine.
What should we do about this?
One of the big teams uncovered baryonyx,
Good choice.
and I did buy some things from the fossil market,
Message from Dr. Wu.
which is why I'm low on money. But you know, fuck my money.
What should we do here?
Dinokiss is at 6%. Okay. 6% Dinokiss. Remember that. Remember that! Not sure if you guys can hear the music, but I can, and it's majestic. So today we're just gonna try and focus on getting more freaking dinosaurs. Because, oh Jesus, wrong button. You always do that. I always press the wrong button. 1 month. I got my replacing Tyrannosauruses in here. 40 here, yeah. Okay.
Message from Dr. Wu.
I have yet to get a sick dinosaur, which is quite surprising considering when I remember playing it on the PS2 and my dinosaurs were always sick. They were just dying from sickness. I'm just a few. Huh. Which is quite weird to me. But my park is booming. Basically, I think kind of. Yeah.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Business is booming. 100%, and they have sold them for... Okay, good. Who did they sell the bones to? That's my question.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Everything is going well, I believe. One of your dig teams have completed its organization.
What would you like us to do?
More amber. I really don't need the money.
Message from
I
Dr.
don't
Wu.
think. I mean... Fucking, you got me over here like, yo, I need money. Spinosaurus, 40%. Look at me, can't wait till, you know, Spinosaurus actually gets 100%. Then I'll be like, yes. My clean teams need to do their job. I see a dirty path right here. Hello. Hello, you sons of bitches. They're just walking that way. Really? Where are you going?
Hello.
I need to hire more staff. This is gonna be bad though. Do your job. I only have one clean station for a reason. I only need one.
Urgent message from Dr. Wu.
I know. Oh. Bumblefoot, good. I was here. Rest area. I could do rest area. Souvenir stand. Fountains.
Message from Dr. Wu.
Calming water, I could do that. Spruce up my... Might actually do that. Like, turn it into emergency mode and just completely redecorate my park. That'd be beautiful. But that would cause some deleting. And that'd be awful. I think I might go for medium fences this time.
Great.
Fucking medium. Give me these medium fences. Just please. I need them. Now there's more Tyrannosauruses than I
Great to see you
possibly ever
again.
be. But little do the guests know, these new Tyrannosauruses are just for show. Well, not just for show. They're just for replacement because, you know,
Message
they
from
last
Dr.
40
Grant.
years, while the other ones last 0 years. Well, it is kind of 0 years, isn't it? Only 8 months. No! No! This is the last thing I wanted. Go, run for your life. Oh, you son of a bitch. You're gonna be right here, too. I'm about to go bankrupt. This is gonna end very badly.
Urgent message from the park administrator.
How many guests are going to die? Oh, there
Urgent
goes
message
3.
from the park administrator.
Oh, there goes 4. Oh, there goes
Urgent
5.
message from the park
Oh, what?
administrator.
I'm not being charged. Oh, that's cool.
Message from the park administrator.
Scout's honor, guys. I did not cheat.
Urgent message from
I'm
the
just
park
not getting charged.
administrator.
I'm surprised.
Such poor management
Shut up!
not only damages our park's fine reputation, but it also costs InGen money. A great deal of money.
Wow. That's pretty cool. I mean, my
Urgent message from the
fucking
park administrator.
dinosaurs. That shit cost money.
Message from Dr. Sadler.
Oh my fucking goodness. Where'd my other one go? He's still alive somewhere. He's right here. Alright, hang on. Let me just repair this shit. You are staying in that cage. You are the sole survivor. You've seen what happened today.
Well,
Where's the toaster going? Just fucked up my park, you bastard! No! I could just turn you off, but that would be cheating.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Oh, he dispersed. Good. Oh, this is gonna cost me some money. This is some bullshit! Okay, so got the Tineth. None of the Rhonosauruses, though. That's cool.
Message from Dr.
That's
Grant.
cool. None of the Iguanodons. It just went straight through the middle.
I thought you might like some input here.
Okay, good for the baryonyx. So let me just fix this up before I reopen my park. I know the
Urgent
dig
message
team just
from the
isn't
park
covered.
administrator.
Just extract the Iguanodon, extract the
Absolutely.
baryonyx, extract the Iguanodon again. And then this amber, we're selling it. We need all the money we can get right now. Because we need to get more Tenosauruses. Ah, my poor baby, he's dead. Well, she's dead. She, I don't give a fuck what that is anymore.
Hi there.
Oh, goodness. Put 3 of them
Sure.
in here. This is about to cost me some money. Is this damaged?
there.
Yes, it is. These are both damaged. Okay, let me just
Do
go through
you
the
have a
messages.
moment to speak with us?
I've already seen that. Go. Repair.
What would you like to
Fucking,
do?
I have no time for this. Go to repair it.
What would you recommend?
Oh, shit. You know, a repair all button would be very good right now.
How should we handle this?
Message from Dr.
How did this
Wu.
get damaged, but it didn't kill any of my Rhonosauruses? You know what? I'm not even gonna ask any questions. Oh wait, it killed this one. No! What was this? Oh, it wasn't 8. Oh, no, this one just died from 8 months. He's dying from natural causes. I think you're dying from natural causes too. Yep, you, my dear friend, are old as fuck. You're just 8 months years old.
How should we handle this?
Is this? That's good. I got cleaning station. Repair that. Get.
This is not good.
Shut
what
up.
will we do?
Message
Shut up,
from
Samuel L.
Dr. Grant.
Jackson. Alright, I think going through all the messages is taking too long, so I'm just gonna delete
Tell
all
me
these
this
messages.
isn't happening.
Not these messages!
Hi.
Oh goodness. That's repaired.
Message from Dr. Wu.
That's repaired. Oh my goodness. Because non-repaired
Thanks for
things
stopping
scare
by.
guests. And that's not something that should be happening.
Welcome
Let me
back.
see. You still got 2 oh, that's a... That's a dead guest. So you still got 2 places that are
Urgent
damaged.
message from Dr. Wu.
Urgent message from Dr. Wu. That must be my security fences.
What should we do here?
Baryonyx is fine. Medium fence is done.
Urgent message from Peter Ludlow.
Oh, fuck! No! I lost my star! A pain in the ass. Twisters are. Twisters are a pain in the asshole.
Message from Dr. Wu.
I guess it's time for a security shelter. Let's go. Don't know how long it's
Message
gonna
from
take,
Dr. Wu.
but I think all my stuff is prepared.
Welcome back.
It killed all my staff. Are you kidding me? 1,500 per month. That's not that bad. Oh Jesus.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Okay. So, I got medium security fences, and I think all my stuff is repaired. Yes, all my stuff is fine, I believe. Let us hope that all my stuff is good. Why are you guys running in fear? Is something still broken?
Message from Dr. Grant.
I mean, they're like running all shitless, scared shitless. I don't know. Oh, because the emergency alarm is on. I'm crazy. Let me just turn that alarm off. No! Yes, emergency mode is off.
Good to see you again.
Oh, goodness. Raise the price to 600. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, I just lost so much money. I lost money for shit I can't control.
Can you look at this while I get a soda?
Any more twisters? No, thank goodness. I wasn't ready. No one was ready. The world hates me because for some reason it decided, yo, you're gonna have a twister. Is that a tombstone? What is that? Oh, okay. I had to make sure that wasn't a tombstone. Let's see here. Paths. Bench. Put a bench right here. Put a bench right here. Boom. And a bench right here. Because fucking benches are needed. And a trash can right here. Trash can right here. Okay.
Thanks
I
for
guess.
stopping by.
Yay. Give me $600, please. I need $600. How many of you are coming? Let us check. Let us welcome them into the park that definitely did not just have a twister and kill some
Message
guests.
from Dr. Grant.
Around 28 guests. Yeah. Let's just pretend that never happened.
What are your instructions?
Dinosaurus remains. Oh, jeez, I got remains for days. That's Spinosaurus remains. I'll extract
Good
those.
choice.
Baryonyx, extract that. Dinosaurus, extract
Great.
that. Amber. Cell. Guanodon, extract. Move up. Let's get Iguanodon to 100% first. Because then every bone you find of it, it will get sold for money. Money is always an issue. Money is never an issue. You're a fucking liar. Okay. So now we got guests who now have umbrellas, which is good. Because now they can't nag me about, oh, I'm so wet, I don't have an umbrella. Shit about your own goddamn umbrella. Now that I have medium, I can probably go about making other things. So why the fudge did that happen? Hang on. Doesn't look decent. There we go.
Message from Dr. Wu.
Want it as close to that as possible. And then it'll just branch out right here. And it'll go this way. Boom. And right here will be more stuff. And right here will be Carcharodontosaurus. Because I like to tease carnivores and put them right next to herbivores.
Message from Dr.
Ah,
Grant.
goodness gracious. Shortly. Another message from Dr.
What would
Grant,
you
eh?
recommend in this situation?
Spinosaurus is now at 50%. Oh, I need high security fences just for him, so fuck that. 100% Tenosaurus, sell it for $1,000. Good.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Another message from Dr. Grant. Uncover baryonyx. More baryonyx stuff.
Yes.
All the baryonyx. I might do baryonyx. I'm not sure.
Message from Dr. Wu.
Baryonyx might get done. I'm not sure. Let's see here. Oh wait, the security.
Message from Dr. Sattler.
This is the security chopper. Hang on. I gotta move this.
I'm glad you've stopped by.
Ah. It's so ew. I don't like it being seen by people. Whatever. Whatever. Let us just put that. Doesn't it scare the dinosaurs though? The sound of the chopper. The sound of the chopper. I think it only scares them when it's flying.
Message from Dr. Wu.
I'll move it. I'll move my chopper. Boom, security, fences, yay.
Hello.
Let's delete you and put you somewhere else. Somewhere inconspicuous. Oh, look, you have your own little peninsula. Actually. Yeah, this is a good spot. I mean, it's a good distance away from the park. Yeah, there you go. You're inconspicuous. Now you won't scare the tourists because they won't see you. Unless they go completely out of their way over here. But you know, it's whatever.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Okay. Let us see here. Oh, our first carnivore, guys. Yay!
Message from Dr. Wu.
Alright, I don't think you guys are ready for our first carnivore.
Great
What
to
should
see
I
you
give 'em?
again.
Cows? Cows seem decent, right? Let's try to make it look legit as possible, because I totally didn't just connect these.
Urgent message from Dr. Wu.
Here's a message from Dr. Wu. You know what that means. Boom. I mean, could be legit, I don't know.
Great to see you again.
Maybe. Spinosaurus, Baryonyx, Carcharodontosaurus, Baryonyx.
Right.
Just one. Just one of you is fine. I don't think you guys are ready. You guys aren't ready.
Message from Dr. Wu.
Whoa! No one is ready. It's about time to end the episode, but we're not going to end until we see this Baryonyx in fruition. Now we're going to place the viewing event right here, right here, and maybe a little tower over here.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Boom. So now you can see both.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to announce the newest addition to our park, the fearsome Cretaceous carnivore, Albertosaurus. Please enjoy.
It's based off of Albertosaurus, really? That's cool.
Message
And
from
now Listen to him. He's so vicious. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, I was trying to get a screenshot. Fuck you guys. Anyway, that's the end of this episode, guys. I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.